Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for March 10th, 2025, Part 2. Today's theme is naps. You Are Not Sleepy by Teague. Story time is over. It's time for a nap. But you are not sleepy. You try to get comfortable, but the room is too bright. So you pull down the window shade. Now the room is too dark. You turn on your flashlight. The light attracts moths. There are too many moths. You cannot sleep. So you open the window. The moths leave. But the birds outside are very loud. They are too loud for sleeping, so you put on your headphones. But the headphones are playing dance music, so you dance. Dancing makes you thirsty. You need a glass of water. You get the water, but now you have to get back in bed. The water spills. Everything gets wet. Luckily, there is a hairdryer in the bathroom. You dry everything. You are cozy now. The bed is warm and dry, but the cat likes a warm bed too. And she is not sleepy. She wants to play. She wants to play too much. You must calm her down. So you read her a story. It is very long and very soothing, so when story time is over, it is time for a nap. The end. We're going to make a paper plate pig, and what you'll need is your Craft to Go kit, which includes a paper plate, some googly eyes, some pig ears, and a pig snout. Your paper plate here is going to be the head of the pig. And what you'll need is either paint, markers, or crayons, or coloring pencils. I'm using pink paint. I'm going to make my pig pink. And you'll also need some glue to glue on the googly eyes and the ears and the snout. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and paint. Oh, you'll need a paintbrush too if you use paints. I'm just going to paint this paper plate all pink. You can do it any color you want. I just chose pink. It's not going to match the ears and snout because it's more of a hot pink than it is a pastel pink, but that's okay. So I'm just going to go ahead and paint the plate, and we'll come back and we'll glue all the parts on. Okay, the paper plate's all painted. So now all we have to do is glue on the ears, the nose, and the eyes. So I'm going to put my ears up top. I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on it. And glue one there. Put some on this one. On there. I'm going to put the snout right in the middle. Put enough glue so it'll stick, but not too much, so that it gushes out. Hope I didn't do too much. No, it doesn't seem to be gushing. It's clear anyway, so I guess it doesn't really matter, but And then the eyeballs. I love googly eyes. I wish they were a little bigger, but this is the jumbo size. And that's it. That's your little paper plate pig.